In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and print blank documents in Docusign. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate Docusign's features to print your documents with ease. Let's dive in by heading over to Docusign's website. Docusign is renowned for its capabilities in electronic signature and agreement management, making it an essential tool for handling documents efficiently. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your login credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your recent documents, manage agreements, and even track their status. From here, you want to navigate to the Agreements section. This is typically found in the main navigation menu and is your gateway to managing all your document-related tasks. Once you're in the Agreements section, it's time to choose the specific document you wish to print. You might see a list or grid showcasing all the documents associated with your account. Select the document that you need by clicking on it. This will open up more detailed options regarding that specific agreement. Now that you've selected your document, look for the Print option. This option allows you to get a physical copy of your agreement, which can be particularly useful for your records, or if you need to share it with someone who prefers hard copies. Clicking on Print will usually bring up your printer dialog box. Make sure your printer is connected and ready to go, then hit the Print button to get your paper copy. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've now learned how to access and print blank documents in Docusign. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it, and mastering it will significantly enhance how you handle your digital documents. Remember, technology is here to make things easier, and tools like Docusign are excellent examples of resources that streamline everyday tasks. We hope you found this guide helpful, and that it empowers you to use Docusign more effectively in your personal or professional tasks. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and happy printing.